Alright guys, a little update on Project Ramona here. I did get the AC up and going. My buddy Jason brought over some 134 that he had sitting at his house from his old vehicle. Dorvin came over and he took some pictures of my AC. He was wanting to see how it was all set up so he can set his truck up. And he talked to his AC guy, and lo and behold, from his information, these red and blue caps here show that this has been converted to 134 already. So my buddy Jason brought those cans over, used this gauge here to throw it in. The first can I threw in, it brought me up to the 138 in the blue, and then I went this morning and got another can and got me into the 276 area, right in that middle area, and then we got this all charged up and it works. So that's super exciting. Definitely appreciate Dorvin letting me know that information like right away, because like it was maybe like an hour after he left here. He called me. He's like, "Hey, information you should know. My guy says this," and I came out here, checked it. Sure enough, it had already been swapped over. So got the AC all up and going. So that is awesome. Got another video coming out this week, guys. It's gonna be some custom door panels coming out, I think. So keep an eye out for that video. See you guys then.